Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I really felt like filming something, but I wasn't sure when I was in the mood to film. I wasn't really getting inspired by any of the things I've written on my list to film, so I'm going rogue. I kind of wanted to do like a green eyeshadow look. I don't know, no rhyme or reason. I just wanted to create something green on my lids. We need to hydrate these lips. Ooh, this is nice. This is the Kimchi Chic Candy Lips Lip Mask, Pink Sour Punch. Oh my god. It smells like sour candy. I like this. It's like thick in the best way possible. I'm gonna do the eyes first, but meanwhile, I'm gonna do like some skin prep, and I'm gonna use these two products. Haven't tried either one of these before. This is the new Farsali Privé Quench Moisture Replenishing Serum. And then I'm also gonna use these Milk Cooling Water Eye Patches. Getting into some patches. That looks cool. Assuming it's this way? No, or this way. Wow, I actually don't know. Wow, that really sticks. Maybe I have it the wrong way, but I would, oh my god, this is so weird. I feel like I'm squishing my eyes closed. I swear I'm doing this wrong. I'm gonna switch eyes. Okay. We're just gonna do it this way. It's still doing weird things to my eyes. Anyways, I was supposed to leave this on for 10 to 15 minutes. Since we're starting off with the eyes first, usually I put my concealer on my lids when I'm doing like my makeup. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of concealer because I don't really use eyeshadow primers. I'm using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue concealer in the shade 8. I don't know if I've been this close to the camera before. Have I? I don't know. I just feel like really oddly close today. But a lot of people have been messaging me or leaving comments saying, can you get really close to your eye again? Like where it was just literally my eye in frame. And this camera, I can't do that with this. This is as much as it zooms, and unless I literally physically stick my eye on the lens, I can't get that close. I have lighting and audio, all that stuff set up for me to be in this exact location. I'm also like 30 now and I don't want to get that close. I don't know what the plan of action is. All I know is I want to do something green. I've pulled a few things that I feel like I want to use today. The first one is the Melt Cosmetics, oh, it's upside down. The Melt Cosmetics Gemini palette. This is what it looks like inside. Obviously, I'm going to stick kind of like in the green area. I really love those tones a lot. This is a beautiful palette, super, super pigmented. In case I feel like dipping into some more greens, I have the ColourPop Just My Luck palette. Looks like that inside. Lovely. I'm gonna start off with these two colors in the ColourPop palette just to have like a nice little light green transition shade. And you can take that on a little fluffy brush. The good thing about doing your eyes first is like you do not have to worry about fallout and you can just go crazy. Then you can clean up the bottom and like make it sharper and all that jazz. Usually if I'm going out or like when I used to do makeup on my clients, I always started off with the eyes first. I don't know why I don't do that on myself usually. I guess it's just because like I like seeing my base done and then I can get inspired when I feel like good about my skin. And when I'm filming, I generally can't wait to cover up my face just because it's not always in the best condition. So I guess those are the reasons. I just answered my own question. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but my hair is kind of like back to normal. It's not like that wine color anymore. Came out in about 4 or 5 washes. It was gone. I'm gonna dip into this shadow right here in the Melt palette. These are very pigmented eyeshadows, so I need to go very gentle with it. I don't want this to be like a pastel mint green look, so we're definitely gonna need to add some of that. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm pretty certain these eye patches left like a residue right there that is making it do something weird, but I'm gonna clean all this up down here. Do you see what I mean? Like I feel like, I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna dip into this shade right here. Like we wanna look like the Grinch. I'm gonna go into Leo. I'm gonna take a little bit more of like a denser brush for this shade just so I can like really pack it on there. Ooh. A lot of my makeup is still in boxes. I haven't organized my stuff yet, so I have bins and bins of makeup, and I was like looking for kind of like a shimmery, sparkly lid topper, and I know I have so many beautiful green ones. I just can't find anything for the life of me. I've done a look using this palette very similar to the direction I'm going, so I don't want to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to try to change it up a little bit. I'm going back to the ColourPop palette, and I'm going to use this one in my crease, just because I want like a darker green, but I don't know if is that dark enough. Ooh, that's pretty. So do I want to do a halo maybe? Perhaps we can do like a halo eye. Either way, I feel like this is gonna be dramatic. Ooh, I like that. That was a good choice. I'm happy. Ooh, I'm loving the tones. I can't freaking wait to put like something sparkly on the lid. You have no idea. Do I want to deepen this up with black or no? No, I think I'm good. I think I'm happy here. This color up here is from the ColourPop one, and this brighter green is from the Melt. I feel like this Melt one will look really pretty on the lid. However, I do want to put something underneath. I dug up a couple things. So this is the Stila Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow, and this is in the shade, that is the shade name, La Douce, Douche. So I'm gonna take a little bit, pop that on the center, just drop my brush. I was about to say I gotta work quick, and then I just drop everything before it's like fully dry. I'm gonna take my finger and tap that Melt shade Goals right on top. Ooh, pretty. I'm gonna go back and add like more of that dark color to blend into it. I'm just gonna let that sit for a second. Let's do the other eye. I just feel like I'm missing some form of like magical sparkle, and I figured out what I want to do. So this is the new Fenty Beauty Royal Icing Diamond Balm, and I love these. So I have the original white one that I'm obsessed with. I literally just put that all over my lids with mascara and I call it a day. So this is what it looks like inside. It just gives off this really beautiful sheer pigment. You can use it as a highlighter, you can put on your lids, and I'm gonna tap it over my eyelid and see what happens. Oh my god, I'm not gonna cry, don't worry. Heart, don't fail me now. I like bringing glitter like up to my brow bone like that, because it just kind of looks like a fairy kind of just spit at your face in the best way possible. That was the icing on the cake. I'm gonna take this Milk Makeup highlighter in Lit. It's absolutely beautiful. These highlights are amazing. And I'm going to place that on the inner corners of my eyes. I want something really glowy, but I don't know. I randomly picked this up. There was no rhyme or reason to this. I'm going to do a wing liner using the Nabla Serial Liner. This is like my favorite eyeliner ever. It's just so precise and thin. So I'm gonna do a wing and I'll be right back. I believe it is time to take these off. Do I look different? I'm gonna take my little makeup wipe here, and I'm basically gonna clean up this edge, straighten everything out. This might be satisfying or it might not be. I think that was pretty satisfying. Is that higher than the other side? Ah, dang it. Let's just step away from the eyes before I wipe it all off. I'm using the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright Face Primer for my primer, or more so just like as a nice base moisturizer. What's happening to my face? It's like really blotchy today. This is going to be my foundation cocktail, the Armani Luminous Silk Foundation and the Smashbox Full Coverage. This is very full coverage, so I'm gonna do a tiny amount into this just because this is a tad bit on the medium side, I would say. Playing foundation cocktail is one of my favorite things to do. I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit of that. I don't think I've mixed these foundations together, so we'll see how it looks on the skin. It could be absolutely horrendous, but I'm not going anywhere, so that is okay. It looks pretty. The color doesn't look bad. Okay, I think I might be onto something. For my cream contouring, I'm going to take this Tarte Breezy Cream Bronzer in, I can never say this, Seychelles. I wouldn't normally apply it with a brush like this. However, I don't really have a lot of small brushes right now. I haven't used this in a while. It blends out very nicely and very like naturally. I can't get over how wonky my eyes are. I'm sorry. I was just trying to do something nice. Push it into the hairline. For my concealer, I'm taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. My tried and true. I'm running out of this stuff though. Oh, I didn't contour my nose. Life to my eyes. Maybe those under eye patches worked because my under eyes look so young. No, they look really plump and pretty. I'm gonna set everything in with the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder. So far everything is going swimmingly on my face. Like my complexion looks so freaking beautiful. Like this looks like really pretty like event makeup because it covered everything, but it doesn't look heavy or cakey. I don't know. We'll see how it wears. I am trying a new contouring situation. This is by Pretty Vulgar. It's the Nesting That Face. And it's a face palette. It has a bronzer and blush and I believe like highlight. That's a highlight. Yeah. I'm looking to contour with this color, blush that color, and we'll see about the highlighter, this one. I do have a new highlight I want to try, so maybe we'll just skip the highlight. So first I'm going to go into bronzer. Excuse me, that's a lot of powder. Wish me luck. Oh my god, the mirror in this palette is so weird. It's like wonky. It's not patchy. I may have put too much, but it's a pretty color. Wait, I put a little bit too much, but it's so pretty. Wait, it blends so nice. Okay, I like that. Now I'm gonna go into the blush. Ooh. Pretty color. Okay, I don't hate it. My highlighter, I also got this in I think like an Ipsy bag. It's the Kokie Soft Glow highlighter. I have the shade Heavenly. It's really interesting because the texture of it, it's very wet and creamy feeling, almost like a ColourPop Super Shock shadow. But look, I mean, do you see that? Freaking stunning. However, I don't know if it's gonna be too dark for me because it does kind of have a cast to it when I swatch it on my hand. So I'm gonna go really, really light-handed on my cheek and see what happens. I hope it's not too dark. Is this even picking up with a brush? Hello? Okay, I'm kind of scared. I can see that it's really pretty, but I'm scared to build this up because I'm gonna get a cast. Okay, let me just do a little bit on the other side and go into something a little bit brighter. Dang, I wish it was a little lighter. Maybe let's take this ColourPop Super Shock highlighter in the shade Seismic. Wow, that's so pretty. I think this came out in their like taupe collection. Ooh, okay. Let's tap this on with the hand first. And then blend it out. Ooh, we've got a lot of glitter now. Yeah, this is a little bit more glittery than I was wanting. I'm sparkly. I found another highlighter that is also new. This is from the brand Estate and it's the Do Me Lit Baked Highlight Powder. This is a baked highlighter which doesn't have any sparkles as far as I can see. I'm kind of hoping this gives me just the right amount of glow without sparkle. Okay, much better. I think we were getting a little bit too glittery. Oh wow, now this is really, really bright. Let's do the brows because I feel like that will just round out the look a little. I'm going to use the It Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil and Filler. Both of them are in Universal Taupe. What is this contraption? I thought it was like a regular brow gel, but apparently... What is this? It really makes your brows wet. Okay, well, we're gonna have to see about that. So normally I do the eyes, but I'm done. But we are gonna go back and kind of touch it up a little bit and do the lower lash line. So for my lower lash line, I'm basically going to take these matte colors, add them on, maybe take some of this and put that on the bottom like center. Just zhuzh it around, play with some shadows under there. All right, let's add some mascara. I'm gonna take this Galactic Lash Play Duo Lengthening and Detailing Mascara. This is the main side, and then on the bottom down here, we have like a little, where is it? Baby mascara, how cute. I'm back, and I have lashes on. I felt like a look this dramatic needed some more drama, so I'm wearing these lashes by Huda Beauty, hoodie number 23. Really, really pretty, very, very dramatic. I mean, like, look at these lashes. They're really pretty though, and I feel like they just make the look just all tied together. That is it for the eyes. Hallelujah. I feel like I've been sitting here for a very long time. It is pitch black outside. So let's finish off the look with lips. I'm going to take this ColourPop lippy pencil in the shade Ashton? Yeah, Ashton. And I'm gonna, ooh. It's kind of ashy on me. No pun intended. I decided to use this. It's the NYX Soft Brown Lip Pencil. I haven't used these lip liners in such a freaking long time. I recently unpacked my lip liners, so that's why I'm getting creative. A little bit more orange than I was going for, but maybe this will fix it. This is a MAC lipstick in the shade Hug Me. It's kind of like a sheer, it's a luster. Why can't I say that? Not too bad. This is the final look. I think it looks so freaking pretty. I'm very happy with the look overall. I think the lashes definitely added a little something something. The lip color, it's growing on me. Definitely this is my least favorite eye. This eye just looks so much prettier, and I'm loving how like it looks wet and glossy from the glitter. I love it, but I think I'm very happy overall. Very pretty. This complexion product concoction thing that I did, I definitely have to try this again because it looks stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this really random video. I hope you guys enjoyed the look that I had lipstick on my teeth. Lipstick. I got lipstick. Please, I gotta go eat something. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, all my little Instagrams. Jesi and Yarn for crocheting, Jesi Eats for my food, Mesijesi with 2 eyes for just personal random pictures, and Makeup by Jesi for all things beauty, selfie, lovely, and it's where I post all my stories of my day if you're ever curious. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'd appreciate it so very much, and hit that little bell so you're notified when I do post a new video and you guys don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!